My name is Susan Vigland, and I'm the Training and Wellness Manager at Hagerty Insurance. So a little different field than most of you are from, but our goal at Hagerty is to bring local food to our employees. So getting it to those consumers, getting it to the employees. And for years, we have supported the Taste the Local Difference program and especially the guide, and distributed the guide to all of our employees every year. But what I really wanted to do was really connect our employees to that food and educate our employees on the food and where to find it, how good it is, and how to bring it closer to them. I come to Hagerty very passionate about local food, and so I wanted to share that with our employees. And so in the spring of 2008, my goal was to obviously partner with different community organizations to help bring that food to our employees. And so in the spring of 2008, I partnered with Little Art Tramp Community Garden, and we held a weekly farmers market right at Hagerty, right at our campus. And so during the lunch hour, our employees could come down to their employee cafeteria and purchase produce. And it made it super easy, once a week, grab your food and go. So that was one of the first things that we instituted. And then in 2010, I was working a lot with Diane Connors and Janice Benson at MLUI, and we kind of came up with this idea to bring local food right to their desks. So once a month, employees would show up in the morning, and it might be an apple, it might be a cup of cherries, it might be a fingerling potato or a delicata squash. We literally put food at their desks once a month. So they would come into this little surprise. Sometimes it was something they could eat. Sometimes it was right then. Sometimes it was something they had to figure out how to cook when they got home. But we would provide them with information on what farm it came from, how to store it, how to prepare it, and recipes in case it was something that maybe they hadn't experienced before, like rutabaga or turnips, which you don't always see at some of our local grocery stores. So that's been a really fun program. That happens once a month, and we've used, food from many, many different farms in the community. And with that, we also had lots of employees. All right, well, I need to know how to cook this. You've given me the recipes, but I want to know a little more. And so we partnered with Oriana and with Nancy Schwalm, and she has come in and done several cooking classes with our employees of how to cook this local food. So whatever food was highlighted that month, she would come in and bring recipes, and the employees would actually get together and cook it right with her before or after work. So that's been a great program. And then, speaking of food consortiums, Nick doesn't only put together food consortiums for farm to school, but also we have created a food consortium at Hagerty, again working with MLUI and Nick Welty and Diane and Richard Jelinek from Spring Hollow Farm. And we've put together a food consortium for our employees. So there's a website, they go to the website, they choose the food they want to order, and on Wednesdays, they order on Mondays, and on Wednesdays, it's delivered right to Hagerty. So again, making it super easy for people. They don't have to go to the store, they don't have to stop by and pick up their CSA, they can get it right at work. So we started with 2 farms in the consortium, and we're now up to 6. So employees can order anything from basically whatever's in season as far as fruits and vegetables, but then also honey and bread and grass-fed beef and eggs and cheese. And so pretty amazing experience to, there are some weeks I don't go to the store at all because all the food I need I get on Wednesdays. So those are just some of the things that we have done to bring local food to our employees. We have a huge employee base, so we're trying to touch them with all of the efforts that you are doing in the community, and just pretty excited about the success that we've had bringing that local food to our staff. So thanks.